In the first example, I have to look at the numbers first. The greatest common factor for 14, 7, and 21 is 7. Next, I have to look at the variables. I have x squared, x squared, x squared. I have x squared in every single term. That's why this is going to be part of my common factor. Next, I have y squared and y. I do not have y over here. That's why y is never going to be part, in this case, of my common factor. So I can say this is my common factor for this expression. And let's check what we're supposed to write inside of the parentheses. Remember, anytime you want to find the expression which we have to write inside of the parentheses, we're supposed to divide every single term by the common factor. Divided by 7x squared, 7x squared, 7x squared. 14 divided by 7 gives me 2. X squared divided by x squared is simply 1. I don't write it. And I copy y squared. I have to copy the sign, plus. 7 divided by 7 is 1. X squared divided by x squared is 1. I have to copy y. Copy the sign. 21 divided by 7 is 3. X squared divided by x squared is 1. I don't write it. This is the solution to my problem. Let's verify this answer. Distribute 7x squared into the parentheses. 7x squared times 2y squared is equal to 14x squared y squared. 7x squared times positive y is going to give me 7x squared y. 7x squared times negative 3 gives me negative 21x squared. So this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at the second example. The common factor, the greatest common factor for 24, 18, and 30 is 6. Next, I have to look at the variables. I have x to the fourth, x to the third, and x. Okay, anytime I don't have exponent, there's always invisible one. Anytime I have the same variable as a part of every single term, I have to choose the one with the lowest exponent. That's why I'm going to take this one, x. Next, I have y to the second power, and y to the third. Every single term contains y. I have to choose the one with the lowest exponent. Remember, this is exponent 1. What am I supposed to write inside of the parentheses? You have to divide every single term by the common factor. Divide by 6xy, 6xy, 6xy. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Remember, anytime there is no exponent visible, there is always invisible one. I have to divide x to the fourth divided by x to the first. Anytime you divide the same base, you're supposed to keep the base and subtract the exponents. So I'm going to write x, and I have 4 minus 1 is 3. Y divided by y, that are going to cancel out. Keep the negative sign. 18 divided by 6 is 3. X to the third divided by x to the first. We have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. So I have x to the second power, because 3 minus 1 is 2. And I have y to the second divided by y to the first. I have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. So I'm going to have y. Next, copy positive sign. 30 divided by 6 is 5. X divided by x is 1. They cancel out each other. Y to the third divided by y to the first. Keep the base and subtract the exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is y to the second power. Let's check if this is the right solution to my problem. 6xy times 4x to the third is equal to 24x to the fourth y. 6xy times negative 3x squared y is equal to negative 18x cubed y squared. 6xy times 5y squared is 30xy cubed. That's why this is the solution to my problem.